Yes, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my name is Remain Honorable Engineer Mr. Ndi Igbo, aka Jpac Chief of Staff, Jpac Comedy. Yes, eventually in a nutshell, happy Sunday everyone. In the good for example, as an ambassador of truth, my message goes to every blogger that want to hear good thing. As ambassador of truth, whenever if reformer coming somebody's way, in any denomination, as ambassador of truth, who does not belong to anywhere, who stand firm on his own, what we're going to do is this. Always learn how to appreciate good thing. Always learn how to speak up when you say good thing. What am I saying this? We are like television house. We are like a radio house. Whenever you see a good thing coming in a community, what you go and do? What? You do what? Get a put informer. If you're going to go to pastor or get that makes you alone and as an ambassador of truth. Oh, what if an internet? Gini ka ọ na-akpọrọ ụrụ wee bụrụ n'Imo steeti o wee bụ na village gọvanọ eziokwu na nga ọkpala o wee bụ na ndị ụka Zion Ministry webatara development. Yes, I call it development, and I'll give you my reasons nji wee kpọọ ya development without finding ka ihe si believe whether na ụka bụ scam na ụka abụrụ scam, whether na ụka abụ wayo na ụka abụrụ wayo, whether na ụka abụ arenji, whether na abụrụ arenji, whether they kpọrọ Jesus ekwensu, whether you call Jesus many names. Okay, whenever a particular individual lay the foundation, lay a block, create the avenue for business, okay, that is development. Number one, in the part of Olo, Imo State, Ngopala, towards airports and where the Nazis. As long as Owerri, Imo State is now concerned, Ndewere hotel business here, one. Two, Nde have industry, our industry. 3. School, we enter Ngobala. Healthcare, we enter Ngobala. Many things because of getting. Now, put yourself in a shoe of Igbo Ngobala for years. If you have a former, if you have a job, won't go job. Come, mother, already say, why is it here? Or the Kazona, or the Yakubiana? No. Bobble, you could about a particular person, Mary Homa. God will open your own door for people to stay congratulate you in a no distant time. Yes, I'm an ambassador of truth. Why am I saying this? Open Ngobala for years, and you know fully well that Nayanera and Ngobala 100,000 by a beg, 150,000 by a beg. Higher 200,000. A lot of families today in Ngobala, a regular 200,000. Can we go university? Can we put them Can we put them because of there's no money. But today, ndị na-ere 200,000 ka wee kpoje nwa university ka wee kpoje mpaghọ na ọgwụ today ha na-ere 10 million, 15 million, 98 million. Is it not development? When you make so much money, when you make such money, all about that invest here in your father's land. 2, let us learn how to speak the truth whenever. Also, when the say operation, remember your home. Operation, invest in your home. Operation, develop your father's land. How will I say operation, develop your father's land? And a particular person, Abia, Buru, even when we're in Lagos State, Buru, Ndi Igbo, will draw massive movement in Imo State. Number 1, aviation of Imo State aviation, that is an airport na Owerri. Number 1, how they massive sale. APC, a massive sale. APC, Igbo. United Airlines, you want massive sale. United Obin somebody na Ogidi, Igbo. Many airlines will now divert to Imo State. Is it not God's doing? Obino did that thing. I can because I knew when a particular person I belong to. That makes us an ambassador of truth. Always going to wait for that tomorrow. Making your job, we will still come out and tell you. That is why when one or two things just happen, or as you say, a very good blogger could see him way back. He could say center Kigaku. Only I may for me can only I may for me can only many former today rule should die you know who may your job. In no one ever send that I don't mind that now nkenere gị n'ihe ọma imere. Nekwa nke imere na nke ị dara or caution, that is called chastisement. Onye dịbe emekwa nke ọjọọ esi na nkenere gị yesterday does not mean that na mara gị bụ friend. Gaa ihe imere adịrọ mma, that causes chastisement. Now, people of Imo State and Ngokpala, ọ bụ na ị bụ onye Imo State wee na-enwe ha aṅụrị, ị ma na ebe enemy of progress because o doro m anya na ọ bụ na ihe a dị n'Enugu maọbụ na Abakaliki maọbụ na Abia State, ndị niile ọ batara na village ha will be happy. Today, there's no network in Ngokpala, but today, MTN Mass is there, Glo network is there, Airtel network is there. Probably, ebe chọọchị batagoro ịma ihe ebe a ga-arụ iro. Now, school will enter, hotel will enter, small scale business will enter, pure water company will enter, small ururu business will enter. Ndị na-erebu ndị na site, anyị agbaburu ndị je na site, ha merewu nri. Today, if they come to site, now if they come along the road, ha ga-ere massively. Ndị na-ere everything, ihe ọbụla na-ere today, because everybody need ego ihe ebe a village. Ịma na ikwu eziokwu na asị eje ebe a ga-adịghị akwụkwọ na gị n'ọkụ ịnabụ na payroll, ọ dị ka ya transfer anaghị ego gị kwugo maka ha. Guy, I'm a one man mopo. Onwere ebe nkwụ. I keep on saying enweghị ebe nkwụ. Akwụ na center. I am like television house. When a TV media presenter, when you offer na agani, my work and my duty is to broadcast. One number is here, nene. If Punch newspaper and Channel News and the NTA can also see good things here, no one human man have brought the news without being told. Or was a blogger, no be 1 million followers. Ya be free homer, he may be homer. The other time I walk from Beirut, the Pomen Road. Give me a minute. Where I congratulate him, the man Nabamba, and oh yeah, native doctor, oh yeah, native doctor. Oh, when a native doctor they bring the development no. The other time hotel for the never a club, never a man hotel where Ndi Igbo no, oh where a lot of people no. At least he's proud to be an employee or whatever. Onye me yoma ekene mmiri okay afọ ya nke a na Delta State na arụ mmiri Chimarin Temple rụrụ bottled water company and pure water. When the man n'ọrụ if you do you don't want to eburu na ga-agwa gị sị nna na ife a bụ onye Igbo promote it. He promote that thing. You understand? He promotes you without being the only Dibia or Robert Dibia. That I promoted him without money and without price because no Igbo. Only Dibia main Choma, equal no Homa Omere. Igbo can always learn how to appreciate good things coming from Omenala or Onye Dibia. Omenala always learn how to promote good things coming from Onyoka. Matthias made Homa to dance as the Christian who I am. Mmekwu say na ihe amata ya simere dị mma hapụ na ihe amata ya simere dị okay. Then ọ gaghị ekwu ụzọ agwa m sị guy na nke imere ajara mma because you cannot be castigating ndị ụka na na-emepe ụka up and down while I'm doing a branch up and down all one. So live and let others live. So Governor Eziokwu, my very good brother, ebutoro otu ọmị na-ekpecha plate jee gụọ 15 decade n'isi Evangelist Ebuka Obi kene Chineke ikereta Chineke iwegide kene ndị kenekwa Chineke again because ihe ma batara n'Imo State. So please, you guys should not misunderstand me. I just want to make common sense. You try marry him, but then I marry him, return album dim money. Return album dim money. Thank you very much. Happy Sunday. One love. Remember, your insult, I know they did them. I know they did insult again. You comment, I go just fiam.